Friends, we are witnessing a large number of structural failures in the recent past. The recent failure of a bridge at Vadodara, where 18 lives were lost, is just one more addition to this long list. As civil and structural engineers, it is our responsibility to ensure safe built habitat. Public has reposed this faith on us, and these kind of failures, they dent our image, and it shatters the confidence that the public and the society at large has entrusted on us. We need to do something to mitigate the risk of failures. One of the reasons why we are unable to mitigate these risk of failures is that we are not learning lessons from the past failures. The report of any investigations carried out in the past failures are not made public by the authorities, and that this is one prime reason why the similar mistakes are being repeated, and that we have seen in number of past failures. Indian Association of Structural Engineers in the year 2023 came out with an idea to publish case studies of failures along with the lessons which is learned from those failures, and in 2023 September, a quarterly newsletter by the name Crossfall was launched. So far we have published 36 case studies of past failures, highlighting why the failure has taken place, what is needed to be done to prevent recurrence of such failures in future. So Crossfall is basically a magazine which is freely downloadable from the IStructE website. Anyone who is interested to learn lessons from the past failures so as to ensure that the same mistakes are not committed in their design, they can go to the website of IStructE and download all the Crossfall reports of these 36 case studies. This message I am giving to all the structural engineers who are in the profession, to kindly share your knowledge, your experience of such failures or near misses which you think should be shared for the benefit of the society at large, and for the benefit of those structural engineers who are into design of structures of any kind, bridges, buildings, chimneys, anything. And this is an appeal. Kindly go through the Crossfall newsletters which are being published for your knowledge, and also kindly contribute so that others can gain from your experience. Thank you.